Okay, y'all. So I want to make sure that everybody knows how to do this and make sure that everybody can access all of the assignments, all the do nows, all the exit tickets. Some kids have been telling me that they can't find certain assignments, and literally everything is under plans. So let me show you what your plan should be set on. That way you can make sure that you are able to view and access all of the assignments. So go to courses, go to our class, English 2 semester 2. I'm going to go to the student view. So this is what you should see. You'll see the plans for today. But what you want to focus on is clicking on the actual plans button. Okay. Now, most kids have like either today or you might have all upcoming here in this view and calendar. You need to change this to fourth 6 weeks. Once you change this to fourth 6 weeks, you can scroll down and it will show you everything from the beginning of the 6 weeks, everything from the very beginning. If you only have it on all upcoming, then this is all that you'll see. Where is the rest of the fourth 6 weeks? It's not there. So even if you now you can go to all past, but then that'll show you third, second, and first 6 weeks. So we don't want that either because those assignments are closed. So make sure that you change it to fourth 6 weeks. Okay. And that way you'll be able to see all of the plans and literally the same names that I have in the gray book are going to be on here. So you just want to check here, right? Breaking up is hard to do. Whatever you haven't not completed, you should be able to scroll through here and find it and click on it and complete it. If you're not sure if you completed something, all you have to do is click on it and it will say whether or not you completed it. Okay, so it says I started the first try of this test, but it doesn't say that I completed it. Okay, and make sure that you're checking the results, checking and to see how many attempts that you have allowed for each assignment. Okay, guys, I hope that helps you out.